Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make Roblox Rant videos using AI. Basically, you're going to go to ChatGPT and you're going to just type this in. Give me a list of 10 topics, 10 topics for my next video, a Roblox Rant video. So for instance, you want this one. You're just going to type that and then you're going to type in make a script based off of that topic or something. Based off that topic. You're also going to record yourself playing Roblox. That is inevitable. You have to do that yourself. Here is the script intro basically. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get it to 11Labs. The voice that they use, go to text to speech, is the Adam one. So type in Adam and use it. Wait, I'll need to enable the desktop audio. And you're just going to paste the speech here. I don't know if I have like any points to generate anything. Okay. So I can't use the free tier, but you should use the Atom one because it's the one that people use.
Our distrust is very expensive.
As you can see, it's the one that people use on like Fire Roblox videos. Once you've done that, you can just place it into CapCut, add in auto captions, and then a lot of people also use sound effects like the Vine Boom one. That's a popular sound effect people use on those videos. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.